Hey there, friends, and welcome back to the Daily House Ideas. Oh my goodness, today's video is one I have been so excited to share with you, because we are diving deep into one of the most beautiful design stories of peak summer. What happens when the warmth and soul of modern farmhouse collides with the breezy, effortless calm of Scandinavian summer style. If you are new here, welcome to the family. Please hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss a design moment. And if you are already part of our community, drop a comment below and tell me, does your home feel like summer yet? Let's get into it. Your home's facade is the very first chapter of your design story, and in peak summer, it needs to feel both grounded and alive. Think crisp white board-and-batten siding, that classic vertical plank exterior finish that gives any home that signature farmhouse silhouette. Pair it with a warm charcoal or soft sage green front door trimmed in matte black hardware. Add window boxes overflowing with white hydrangeas and lavender, and suddenly your home is whispering Scandinavian hygge, that beautiful Danish concept of cozy contentment, right from the curb. The entryway is your home's handshake, and in a modern farmhouse meets Scandi summer home, it needs to do real work while looking absolutely beautiful. Mount a shiplap-backed coat and hat rack with natural wooden pegs. Simple, raw-edged hooks work perfectly here. Beneath it, tuck a slim shoe cabinet in whitewashed oak, topped with a small ceramic dish for keys. Place a cushioned bench in natural linen for easy shoe swaps. Lean a full-length rattan-framed mirror against the wall, and finish with a chunky woven jute mat underfoot. Layer in a tiny vase of fresh greenery, and the space sings. In peak summer, your living room should feel like you've brought the outdoors in, and in this style fusion, light is your best design tool. Choose a linen or cotton slipcover sofa in oatmeal or warm white as your anchor piece. Layer a chunky knit throw and a mix of natural toned cushions in cream, sage, and dusty blue. Ground everything with a large jute or flat weave rug. A reclaimed wood coffee table adds farmhouse authenticity, while a bouquet of dried pampas grass or fresh wildflowers in an oversized stoneware vase adds that effortless Scandinavian naturalism that makes the whole room exhale. Summer dining is about lingering, laughing, and sharing, so your dining room should invite people to stay a little longer. Choose a solid oak or pine farmhouse trestle table, that A-frame-based style that is as sturdy as it is beautiful. Surround it with a mix of Windsor-style wooden chairs and a simple linen upholstered bench. For the table itself, dress it in a natural linen runner. Cluster beeswax taper candles in varying heights, and scatter terracotta pots of herbs like rosemary and thyme. Linen napkins loosely folded and a jug of wildflowers complete this peak summer tableau with warmth and grace. A modern farmhouse kitchen in summer should feel like the most loved room in the house, and it can be with the right choices. Opt for shaker-style cabinetry in warm white or soft sage, paired with unlacquered brass or matte black hardware. A farmhouse apron front sink is non-negotiable for that authentic touch. Tuck a matte black or stainless French door refrigerator seamlessly into the cabinetry. A vintage-inspired range stove in cream or dark navy becomes a stunning focal point. And do not overlook the small moments. A compact retro-style coffee machine on the counter, wooden cutting boards propped against the backsplash, and a hanging herb garden in the window. Pure summer kitchen magic. The family room in a Scandi farmhouse home is where hygge truly lives. Float a large flat-panel TV on a shiplap feature wall painted in a warm grayish, that perfect gray-beige balance that anchors without overpowering. Below it, build or source a low media console in solid walnut or bleached pine, styled with stacked books, a small succulent, and a woven basket for remote controls. Arrange your seating in a U-shape with a deep-seated sectional in performance linen, and pile on the textured throws and pillows. The key is creating a space that says, come in, sit down, and stay a while. Every modern home needs a space that works as hard as you do and still feels like a retreat. Tuck a slim, raw-edged desk, perhaps a floating walnut shelf with hairpin legs, into a bright corner. Place a small vintage-style analog desk radio on the surface for soft background company, along with a beautifully crafted small desk clock, the kind with a visible mechanism that adds personality and tells you this space has soul. Across the room, build your reading nook with a built-in window seat dressed in ticking stripe cushions, a basket of books, and a single arched reading lamp. This is your sanctuary. Your bedroom in peak summer should feel like waking up inside a dream. Start with an upholstered linen headboard in warm white or soft oat, framed by shiplap or whitewashed wood paneling on the wall behind it. Dress your bed in lightweight cotton percale layers, crisp whites with one soft sage or dusty blue accent pillow for a touch of Scandi color confidence. Hang linen curtains that pool gently on the floor and diffuse morning light into something golden and soft. Add a reclaimed wood nightstand, a small ceramic lamp, and a tiny bunch of dried lavender, and your bedroom becomes the most peaceful room in the house. A farmhouse bathroom with Scandinavian sensibility is all about natural materials, clean lines, and intentional calm. Choose a freestanding or walk-in shiplap framed shower with matte black fixtures and subway tile in a classic brick lay pattern. At the vanity, your waste-to-fell or wash basin area, opt for a vessel sink in white ceramic or natural stone on a floating reclaimed wood shelf. A large frameless mirror or a simple wooden-framed round mirror adds character without clutter. Layer in Turkish cotton towels in cream and sage, a small tray of linen packaged soaps, and a single eucalyptus sprig hanging from the shower head. Functional luxury. Beautifully done. Most people forget the garage entirely when it comes to design, but in a well-styled farmhouse home, even the garage tells part of the story. Paint the garage door in a warm charcoal or classic black to complement your exterior palette. Inside, install open metal shelving units in matte black for tools, seasonal storage, and organized bins in natural canvas. Add a pegboard wall for tools, organized with care, and even a few labeled hooks. If you have a utility sink, frame it with a small wooden shelf above for cleaning supplies in matching containers. A durable rubber mat in a simple stripe pattern on the floor ties it all together with understated intention. The patio is where your summer farmhouse home really comes alive. Think of it as an outdoor living room, because that is exactly what it should be. Lay large format concrete or natural stone pavers as your base. Anchor the space with a round or rectangular teak or cedar dining table and matching chairs dressed in weather-resistant cushions in natural stripes. String warm Edison bulb lights overhead and hang them low enough to feel intimate. Add a large galvanized metal planter filled with lavender and trailing greenery at each corner. A simple outdoor lantern cluster on the table and a woven outdoor rug underfoot, and your patio becomes the most used room in your summer home. If there is one design element that immediately says modern farmhouse, it is shiplap, and understanding it helps you use it with confidence rather than going overboard. Shiplap refers to horizontal wooden planks installed with a slight reveal between each board, creating that beautiful lined shadow effect on your walls. In a summer home, paint it in warm white, soft chalk, or even a pale sage for a Scandi twist. Use it as a feature wall in the living room, behind the bed, or inside the bathroom. The tip? Apply it to one wall maximum per room unless your space is very large. Restraint is what keeps it elegant. The magic of this design fusion lives in the color palette, and getting it right makes everything else easy. Your base should be crisp, warm whites and soft creams. These are the canvas that lets both styles breathe. Layer in natural oaks, warm walnuts, and bleached pine for your wood tones. Then introduce your Scandi summer accents in sage green, dusty blue, and soft terracotta, colors that feel fresh but never harsh. The farmhouse warmth comes from textures, linen, jute, cotton, and ceramic, more than from color alone. Think of your palette as a linen shirt on a summer morning. Effortless, breathable, and exactly right. Textiles are the unsung heroes of interior design, and in a modern farmhouse meets Scandi summer home, they carry enormous design weight. Reach for natural, breathable fabrics in every room: linen, cotton, jute, and wool for cooler evenings. Avoid anything that looks synthetic or overly shiny. The goal is organic authenticity. Mix textures intentionally. A chunky knit throw over a smooth linen sofa, a flat weave rug layered over bare wooden floors, embroidered linen cushion covers against a plain canvas. In Scandinavian design, this layering technique is called lagom, the art of balance. Just enough, never too much, always exactly right. Accessories are where your personality gets to speak, and in this style, less is always more, but less done well. For shelves and surfaces, group items in odd numbers and vary the height within each grouping. A tall stoneware vase next to a short stack of design books and a small potted succulent is a perfect trio. In your farmhouse home, look for handcrafted ceramics in earthy tones, wooden objects with visible grain, vintage glass bottles repurposed as bud vases, and woven baskets in every size. Avoid plastic and chrome wherever possible. Every accessory should feel like it was found, loved, and intentionally placed, because that is exactly what it was. Lighting is the element that transforms a decorated room into a designed room, and in peak summer, you want light that moves between bright and beautiful during the day and warm and intimate at night. Choose pendant lights in wrought tan, woven seagrass, or H-brass for your kitchen and dining areas. These materials ground the farmhouse aesthetic immediately. In the living spaces, pair a statement floor lamp with smaller table lamps to create layered ambient lighting. Always use warm white bulbs. 2700K is the magic number that makes every surface glow like golden hour. And never, ever underestimate the power of a cluster of beeswax candles on a reclaimed wood tray. Biophilic design, the practice of connecting interior spaces with the natural world, is at the very heart of both farmhouse and Scandinavian style, and in summer, it becomes your greatest design asset. Fill your windowsills with potted herbs in terracotta pots. Hang a trailing pot hose or string of pearls plant from a macrame hanger in the reading nook. Place a large fiddle leaf fig or olive tree in a raw clay pot in a sun-filled corner of the living room. On your dining table, always have something fresh and living. Even a single stem in a bud vase counts. Nature never gets it wrong, and neither will your home when nature is always present. Feeling inspired but wondering where to actually begin? Here are your quick start moves. First, do a texture audit, walk through your home and remove anything that feels synthetic or out of place. Second, add one natural element to every room this week: a plant, a wooden tray, a jute basket. Third, swap any cool white light bulbs for warm white 2700K ones. The difference is immediate and transformative. Fourth, pick one Scandi summer accent color. Sage green is the easiest entry point, and introduce it through a cushion or a throw. Fifth, declutter one surface per day and style it with the rule of 3. Small steps, big impact. And there you have it, beautiful friends, 20 chapters of pure summer farmhouse inspiration, from your front facade all the way to your patio, touched with the effortless calm of Scandinavian style at every turn. Your home is your story, and peak summer is the most beautiful chapter to write. Whether you start with one new cushion, a potted herb on the kitchen sill, or a full dining room makeover, every single step you take matters, and every room you love coming home to is a victory worth celebrating. If this video brought you even one idea that excites you, please give it a big thumbs up, share it with a friend who loves design, and leave me a comment below telling me which room you are starting with. I read every single one. And if you have not yet subscribed to the Daily House Ideas, what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button right now because every week we are here bringing you fresh ideas, warm inspiration, and the design conversation you deserve. See you in the next one. Happy decorating!